Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about almonds, and I have some quick tips and ideas that may help you out when you're trying to figure out what to do with almonds. For a protein boost and some added richness into your smoothies, try adding some almonds, some almond milk, and/or some almond butter. That would make it really delicious on top of the boost. Now, if you have some whole shelled almonds, you can chop them by hand or you can chop them in a food processor. When you're using a food processor, just pulse it briefly and not for too many times, and that will give you some chopped almonds. If you do it a lot, you're going to wind up with almond butter. No harm there, but if you wanted chopped almonds, you don't want to take it too far. If you want a healthy snack, just grab a handful of almonds rather than a handful of chips. Your body will thank you for it. If you want a delicious healthy snack, try some apple slices along with some almonds. How about a tasty cold or even room temperature type salad with some cooked rice, almonds, frozen and thawed green peas, and some currants? This sounds different, doesn't it? It sounds really good. Try adding some sliced almonds to your favorite chicken salad, or any salad for that matter. For some added crunch and flavor and healthy fats, try sprinkling some cooked vegetables with sliced almonds. How about giving quinoa a flavor boost? Mix in some sliced almonds, dried cranberries, leeks, and a sprinkling of parsley. For the best protection almonds can offer against heart disease, enjoy whole almonds with the skin still on them. There's flavonoids found in the skin that pair up with the vitamin E in the nut itself, and they give you a double layer of protection of antioxidants. How about topping your favorite green salad with toasted sliced almonds or slivered almonds instead of croutons? To help keep your blood sugar under control, include some almonds with your meals and snacks, especially when you're eating a high carbohydrate meal. How about dressing up your morning oatmeal with some fresh blueberries and sliced almonds? Top that with a little bit of almond milk and enjoy. If you really want to dress it up, add some cherries for extra flavor and nutrition. How about topping your favorite yogurt with some fresh fruit, slivered or sliced almonds, and maybe even a sprinkling of cocoa powder? Yum! For something really different, try adding some sliced almonds and dried cranberries to your favorite slaw. How about adding some ground almonds into your next graham cracker crust? That would add some flavor and nutritional elements as well. Why not sprinkle some sliced almonds on your favorite stir-fried vegetables? Now, the flavor of cherries and almonds goes heavenly together, really good. So try them together on top of yogurt, cereal, ice cream, baked goods, on top of oatmeal mixed in with granola. Any way you can combine them would be a real flavor treat. How about adding some sliced, chopped, or slivered almonds onto your favorite fried rice dish? That sounds yummy too. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. I sure hope this helps. Bye for now.